In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Volvo XC90 located behind your front wheels. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove our lug nuts. And if you have a locking key, go ahead and use that. Let's go ahead and remove your wheel. Remove it and set it aside. Now on our strut assembly here, we have our sway bar end link that connects the strut down to the bar itself. We're going to loosen and remove the 18mm nut holding this. Now we did spray down some rust penetrant, let it soak. And on the bottom side here, we have a 15mm nut on the bottom. We're going to use our impact gun. We did spray this down with some rust penetrant. Go ahead and drop that out. Go ahead and feed our link up. Make sure it is inward of the ABS wire. Line this up, get the nut started. Go ahead and snug that down. Let's go ahead and torque down this lower nut here to 44 foot-pounds. Install the upper link. And we're going to use a pry bar between the sway bar and the chassis of the vehicle. And if we gently pry this, we can get that link to fit right in. Wiggle that right into position. Go ahead and get that nut started. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. Let's go ahead and torque this down to 36 foot-pounds. Now that we're done here, go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. Install your wheels and go for a road test. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Get that lined up. I'm going to get one of these started here. Get the rest of these started. And once we get them all started, we'll come on back and snug them down. All right, let's go ahead and snug these down gently. All right, let's now go ahead and torque them down. Let's now go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. When doing this here, it's best to do it in a crisscross or a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.